हेलो एवरीवन एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। सो फ्रेंड, ये वीडियो बेसिकली होने वाला है ऑल यू नीड टू नो अबाउट कॉग्निजेंट जेएनसी न्यू डिजिटल ऑनर प्रोग्राम 2023। अब ये प्रोग्राम क्या है, कैसे रजिस्ट्रेशन करना होता है, सर हम लोग अपने प्रोफाइल को कैसे इंक्रीज कर सकते हैं फ्रॉम 4 एलपीए टू 6.75 और 5.4 एलपीए, जेएनसी टू नेक्स्ट जेएनसी नेक्स्ट प्रमोशन अपग्रेड, सिलेक्शन प्रोसेस, हाउ टू रजिस्टर फॉर दैट, सैलरी इंक्रीमेंट, प्रमोशन, ट्रेनिंग, सब कुछ बात करेंगे इस पर्टिकुलर वीडियो में। तो आप लोग जो इन तक जरूर देखना। So let's begin this video. Okay, so first of all, you can see on my screen what is this all about the program. Okay, so here you can see in my screen already written everything. Career aspiration are huge motivation of success. We are pleased to launch the GNC Digital Honors, a program dedicated to accelerated growth and career progression of self-driven, high-performance Indian GNC associate. This program is an opportunity to all GNC at programmer analyst trainee PAT and programmer analyst EPA grade in India to get one step closer to the GNC Next or GNC Pro role. Are you getting my point? While fulfilling your career aspiration, Agency Digital Honors provide eligible associates, agencies, an opportunity to apply for Agency Next or Agency Pro role. Also follow them for upskilling during the program and help ready them to take a new role with a different, more challenging demands. Okay, this is all about the program. Next, roles. Gen Next potential Gen Next associate need to be technically proficient with advanced programming skills and full stack abilities. The associates may also have advanced proficiency level in enterprise platform products, specific technologies such as Salesforce, Pega, and many more. And Gen Pro, this is the role. Okay, Gen Next and Gen Pro. Like when like currently you, let's suppose you are in the Gen pat role or at role. Okay, so we are basically in this particular role, but after getting a promotion and after getting giving the digital honors program, and then you are getting a two different role, maybe one of them like Gen Next or else Gen Pro, depending upon your performance and depending upon your training, depending upon your exam performance, you are able to get this different two roles. Okay, in one of them you are only getting. Okay, potential Gen Pro is a student need to process expertise in enterprise platform product specific technology such as Salesforce, Pegasus app, Support Security Service Now, and many more. Okay, so these are which you are getting after completing the digital honors program. Okay, eligibility: all programmer and trainee pads who are completed minimum 6 months in Cognizant as of the cutoff date is specified in the list of available roles preferred table below. All programmer analyst PA excluding lateral hires, PET and PAS from IT services only and not from digital business ops. DBO applicants should be not be the Gen Z training departmental tagged as an entry level training. Okay, next, this is a program structure of the structure and timeline. Step one, you have to apply. Okay, 1 week you have to apply. So sir, from where we are getting your apply link, so you have to search on their site. Okay, and also if you want you can contact with the HR team also, because this program is conducted by the internally, so you have to search on the site and you have to go through the go through all the details whatever you are getting from their career portal site. And you can also ask with your HR team also, and your team member also, they already know what is what this all about. Okay, when the company is going to start the honor program. Okay, when the registration will open, you will be getting this all information from the site, or else you can contact with the team member also who is already working the last 1.5 1 and 2 years. Okay, you can also ask with them also. 1 week agency to apply, and then a step to qualify assessment interview process of pre requisite skills. So basically you are going to give assessment, then followed by the interview for prerequisite skills, and then after for 8 to 2 weeks certified, learn and get certified in the required skills for Gen Z Next and Gen Z Pro roles. So I will also showing you the certificate also. Okay, and after the selection, 1 or 2 weeks it will take to time to interview by the project teams for final selection. So basically whenever you are going to complete the program, you are getting one certificate, and after getting a certificate you are getting a call from the recruiter from the project team side that yes, we have opening for this particular project, and you have to qualify the interview as well for the particular project. And whenever you are going to get the particular project, then you are able to get your high package and high role also. And after that deploy 24 weeks deployment into the Gen Z Next and Gen Z Pro roles, you are able to get your Gen Z Next and Gen Z Pro role after completing this 8 to 12 weeks of certified learning stage. Okay, this is free, so you don't have to pay anything. Okay, this will be continuously going with your work also. Let's suppose you are working in a project, and if you want to do a digital program, then you have to do it parallelly also. Okay, promotion, this promoted between October 1 31st. Okay, and standard promotion benefits are eligible for the merit increasing. Those who received a higher than standard promotion increasing are not eligible. Other offers cycle, those who received a non promotion of cycle increasing between October and March 21st are not eligible to receive a second increase during the annual merit cycle. Okay, so hike plus finalized rating, 2 rating of 3 to 4%, 3 rating. If you have a 3 rating, then you have to getting a 6 to 7%, 4 rating 7 to 8%, and 5 rating getting a 8 to 10% of the hike of the annually. Okay, and this is a certificate if you are you are getting if you're completing your Gen Z digital honors program also, FSC accreditation program with all the rights. This type of certificate you are getting after the certification getting, then you are getting a call from the project team also that you are like they will ask you some question regarding project, and if you are getting this project, then you are eligible for applying the particular Gen Z Pro and Gen Z Next Level. Okay, so this is how all about the these things for a period of 6.5 and 5.5 Gen Z Next to Next promotion upgrades. Selection process I discussed, how to register I discussed, salary increment, promotion. Okay, so 6 months you can expect depending upon your project performance, but after 1 year you can expect depending upon your rating, as I already shown you. What is your digital honors program I discussed? Can we switch Gen Z Next to? Yes, after clearing the Gen Z digital program. Okay, who are eligible I already discussed. So I think I discussed all the point. If you have any doubts regarding digital honors program, you can ask in comment section. टेलीग्राम ग्रुप भी जरूर जरूर ज्वाइन हो जाना, जो भी अपडेट्स है मैं आपको जरूर शेयर करूंगा। तो वीडियो कैसा लगा कमेंट जरूर बताना। मिलते हैं वीडियो में, जय हिंद जय भारत।